In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple portfolios in the CoinGecko app. If you manage different strategies, accounts, or themes, having separate portfolios keeps everything tidy and makes performance easier to compare. Here's how to set that up from start to finish. First, open your CoinGecko app so we're on the home screen. We'll head straight to the portfolio area. Look toward the bottom of the screen and tap the star icon. That's the portfolio tab. This takes you to your current portfolio view. At the top of this screen, tap the portfolio name. That opens the portfolio switcher where you can see what already exists and create something new. Now tap Create New Portfolio to begin making an additional one. You'll see two ways to track your holdings. You can manually track coins and transactions, or you can track a wallet address. Wallet tracking is a pro feature, though the free plan includes 2 wallet addresses you can add without upgrading. For this walkthrough, choose Manually Track Coins and Transactions so you can define exactly what goes into this portfolio. Next, pick an icon. The icon is simply a visual shortcut that helps you spot the right portfolio at a glance, especially once you have several. After that, give your portfolio a clear name. Short, specific names work best, like long-term, trading, or a particular goal or exchange. When you're happy with the icon and the name, tap Create Portfolio. Now it's time to add coins. Search for the assets that belong in this portfolio, then add them along with the details that matter for your tracking, such as quantity and purchase information. Accurate entries here will make your performance, profit and loss, and allocation charts much more useful. You can always edit or update positions later as your holdings change. To create more portfolios, just repeat the same flow. From the Portfolio tab, tap the name at the top, choose Create New Portfolio, select an icon, name it, create it, and add the relevant coins. Distinct icons and descriptive names will save you time when switching. Remember, the name at the top of the Portfolio tab is your quick switch. Tap it anytime to move between portfolios, compare balances, or focus on a single strategy. And that's it. You've learned how to add multiple portfolios in CoinGecko, organize them clearly, and start tracking right away.